From full-speed action to the engineering behind it, this is Field to Factory. Like the video, share it, and subscribe. From full speed on the track to the precision behind it, this is Field to Factory. Before the race car ever finds speed, this hidden gearbox has to be built to take the hit. It may be small compared to the engine, but every launch and every shift runs through this gearbox. Inside this compact case, gears, shafts, dog rings, and bearings line up like a mechanical weapon. On the track, one clean shift can turn raw horsepower into instant acceleration. Before metal is cut, engineers map every gear to survive brutal racing loads. The shape of each tooth decides how smoothly power moves under pressure. Stress maps show where torque will hit hardest when the driver goes full throttle. At the contact point, two gear teeth carry the violence of the whole car. When the design is right, the gearbox takes the hit and keeps the car pulling. Gear ratios are planned for one job: keep the engine in the power band. Every curve on the tooth face is measured before the first part is made. A design on the screen means nothing until it survives a real shift. The process starts with raw steel strong enough for racing abuse. CNC machines begin cutting the blank into a gear that can handle torque. Each tooth is carved with precision, because one bad surface can ruin a race. The first test checks how the new teeth carry load without tearing apart. Under acceleration, those same teeth must mesh cleanly at full speed. Sharp edges are finished so the gear can run fast without destroying itself. Finished gears wait for assembly, but the real punishment is still ahead. After machining, every chip is removed so nothing contaminates the gearbox. Inspection probes scan the tooth surface for flaws too small to see by eye. A load rig presses the gear teeth together like a race shift under pressure. On track, that same contact point has to survive instant torque. Heat treatment begins because racing gears need more than shape, they need strength. Furnace heat changes the metal, preparing each gear for extreme load. Quenching locks in hardness so the teeth can fight wear and impact. Hardness testing proves the surface is ready for high-speed punishment. Non-destructive inspection checks inside the tooth for hidden cracks. When the hardened gear shifts under load, it holds instead of snapping. Polishing removes the last rough edges before the gear goes into battle. The main shaft is machined to carry power through the entire gearbox. Every spline and bearing surface must stay perfectly aligned at speed. A spin test checks whether the shaft runs true before assembly. In the car, that shaft has to stay stable while torque pounds through it. Dog rings are built for one purpose: fast, brutal gear engagement. When the dog teeth lock, the shift happens in a violent mechanical snap. A close internal check shows whether those dog teeth engage cleanly under load. During a full throttle shift, the dog ring has milliseconds to lock or fail. Selector forks guide the shift, but they must move with perfect accuracy. The fork pushes the dog ring exactly where it needs to go. The actuator turns the driver's command into a fast mechanical shift. Inside the gearbox, the fork, dog ring, gears, and shafts move as one system. On the circuit, that selector movement becomes acceleration the driver can feel. At high RPM, a smooth bearing can be the difference between speed and failure. Bearings support the spinning shafts and keep the gearbox alive under load. Internal bearing support keeps the shaft centered when torque tries to twist it. On track, the bearings hold the shaft steady while the car keeps pulling. Gears, spacers, dog rings, and bearings are stacked in the exact order. Now the gearbox starts to become one compact racing machine. The casing closes around the gear stack like armor around the drivetrain. Every bolt is tightened with precision because the case must hold under pressure. The bench rotation test confirms the parts move smoothly before power is added. The completed gearbox is moved to the dyno, where the real test begins. The test rig connects to the input and output shafts to load the gearbox. Torque comes in hard, and the casing starts to shake under controlled force. Rapid shifts test how fast the gearbox can change gears without losing control. Inside the test, the dog ring locks, the gears engage, and the shaft stays stable. Vibration testing proves the gearbox can survive the shaking of a real race car. Heat testing shows whether the gears keep working after repeated punishment. Now the gearbox is installed, and the track delivers the test no bench can fake. Under acceleration, the gear teeth, dog rings and shafts work together at speed. Mounted inside the tunnel, the gearbox feels every hit from the drivetrain. Corner exit torque loads the gears as the car digs in and drives forward. One real shift reveals the hidden work happening inside the gearbox. On the straightaway, high RPM pushes the casing, shafts, and bearings harder. Shift after shift, every internal part has to stay timed and locked. The hardest shift hits, and the gearbox survives without losing the drive. Back in the factory, the same gearbox shows what it endured on the track. Every race-winning shift starts here, inside the gearbox that turns horsepower into motion. From raw material to game-ready gear, this is Field to Factory. Like the video, share it, and subscribe for more powerful sports manufacturing stories.